Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to take a look at this older high air. This is 6,000 BTU. I don't know the date on this. I know there's a way to figure it out from that serial number, but I'm never like inclined to actually do that. Yeah, this has a little damage on the grill. The directionals are, this one's broken. This one keeps popping out. So maybe I can find a better grill for this someday, I don't know. Or I'll just have to use it as is. I didn't bother cleaning. I did clean this up. I didn't take this tape off it. It's a lot of work. Alright, let's turn this on. This runs pretty nice. These older high airs aren't bad. Yeah, this shows the outside temperature. Something's rattling. There we go. I don't know what compressor this is. You can see half the label. I don't know if that's a high leaf. I think it is a high leaf. Yeah, I think that's a Highly, and I think the Highly name is just like faded off or something. Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Yeah, the high airs of this vintage really are pretty good air conditioners. The label's faded off the motor. This runs really quiet. It's quite nice. The rear fan hardly makes any noise. You can't even hear it. It is running. Yeah, these are really nice air conditioners. Yeah, it's pretty cold now. I would say it's almost fully cold. Not quite. Let's see, that's low fan. I think you push the cool in again to change the fan speed. Here's medium. High. The fan's not real powerful on this, but it's, you know, it's decent. There's low. Yeah. Yeah, this runs really nice. Yeah, I'd say it's about fully cold right now. Filter. Yeah, I gotta say, these are nice air conditioners. These older high airs. So, there you go. It's a 6,000 BTU high air. I will see you next time.